Okay, test. Okay, yeah. Is it in now? Yeah, I think it. Okay, okay. I think it's in now. So yeah. It's my. Okay. Yeah. Something's weird happening with my tracking right now. Let me. Okay. Let me try to mitigate this. Okay. Yeah. This is much better now. Okay. Yeah. Just a little bit here. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, welcome back to this is now the ninth technology dive stream, and yeah, the topic that I wanted to cover for this week is it's a topic that I recently found fascinating due to like several yeah, for several reasons. Yeah, I find Flash pretty interesting. The history of a technology that enables the interactive web, but at the same time, we all love to hate on it with the update Flash player prompts that they often give to the myriad of hacks that happens because of Flash. Yeah, that was quite the era. So yeah, let's dive right in and talk about Flash. Yeah, so first of all, yeah, Flash, one of the most famous legacy software of the old internet. Yeah, although it has its problems during its lifetime, and Flash brought us a lot of great, memorable moments for us to enjoy. Yeah, a lot of things have came out thanks to Flash. And yeah, I also want to explore those in the meantime. Okay, but first of all, I'm going to start a bit with some company history. Yeah, it started as drawing software. Yeah, so the first ever version of Flash was can be traced back to a company called Future Wave Software. So yeah, Future Wave Software. They originally make drawing software for the era of pen computing. You know, when you can operate your computer with pens. Yeah. So they created this software called Smart Sketch to write on that market, but it did not sell that well because of yeah, there are some shifts in the market since they released it, and it doesn't sell that well. So yeah, they pivoted to animation. And yep, so add animation they did. And the version with animation is called Future Splash Animator, and in this form they already got their first big break between being yeah, they their technology got used for Microsoft, their MSN 2.0 website. Yeah, who would have known that Microsoft would take a risk and use technology from a small company? Yeah, so yeah, yeah, they like already got their first big break with Microsoft, and then yeah, in 1996, Macromedia acquired Future Wave and they rebranded Future Splash Animator, that software that Microsoft used, as the software we all are now familiar with, the name Macromedia Flash. And yeah, it got lumped in alongside with Macromedia's already, yeah, Macromedia's own already existing set of software. So like Macromedia Dreamweaver, Macromedia, uh, like Macromedia Freehand. So yeah, they joined the Macromedia family, and in this particular era of Flash, and yeah, they added several new features that made Flash what it is today. So like they added capabilities of video and audio. They added capabilities for programming with ActionScript. Yeah, those kind of stuff will eventually make the interactive websites with Flash just explode. Yeah, so yeah, this is why we know those Flash games exist, and this is why YouTube used Flash for its video player. Yeah, this is probably where like Flash got this. Yeah, yeah. The most of my memories of Flash probably come from this era of Flash. And then in 2005, Adobe acquired Macromedia, and along with it, the entire Macromedia software suite, which includes Flash. And now Flash is maintained as part of Adobe's Creative Suite, with the first version of Flash, the animator here for Flash is called Adobe Flash Professional here. The first release of it being CS3. Yeah, CS. Okay, let me check it. Okay, CS3. Yeah, so yeah, this is probably like the era that we are in now with Adobe. And then yeah, Flash is not without its problems. And one reason of it is due to how the plugin API is implemented. Adobe Flash runs basically side by side with the browser with the same level of access. If Adobe Flash has a security vulnerability, yeah, just be prepared. Some Flash malware has the ability to hack your computer. Just utterly destroyed there. And yeah, the amount of updates and security vulnerabilities that Flash has led to its famous update Flash Player Now messages. Yeah, update Flash Player Now, you have to update. You cannot stay using old versions of Flash. You have to use the latest version of Flash. And yeah, so like there are a total of 131 CVEs for Adobe Flash Player, like varying in severity. And I'm just going to give you a a window here, and let's check out the details of Adobe's Flash vulnerabilities. Let me switch the window here to okay, this window right here. Okay, yeah, so what we have here, like, you see the scores here. Okay, let's sort it by CVSS score descending, and look at this. Whoa, the entire first page of Adobe Flash is like scored red. Red. There's a lot of red here. Yeah, like you'll see this. Okay, score 10. Score 10 security vulnerability, everyone. Wow. And then yeah, here like, whoa. Okay, the yeah, it's kind of sad. Just like, oh, what the f is happening here? There's just so much Flash vulnerabilities. Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, those are vulnerabilities of Flash, and those are the ones that make people just, okay, make Adobe just go, please update your Flash now. Yeah, it's because of those, and some of the vulnerabilities are actually exploited in the wild. Wouldn't have you known it? Yeah, there are like actual evil people using this to hack your computer. And with its security vulnerabilities, that's why, yeah, the pretty much browsers want to get rid of it. But its interactivity, like, its interactivity took quite some time to actually, yeah, settle. So yeah, so because of Flash various problems, then it was decided that, yeah, browsers will take this interactivity matter to their own hands and work on a new standard, on a new HTML standard that allows such interactivity that does not require the use of Flash. Yeah. And yeah, with the advent of HTML5, which is now a legacy term, yeah, it's pretty much just a buzzword at this point. The actual HTML standard is now a living document. By living document, yeah, it is continuously updated. It is continuously updated to, yeah, reflect the state of browser development. And so the usefulness of plugins like Flash is starting to get called into question. Like, yeah, it's coming directly to native web, and it reduces the need to use plugins like Flash. It's getting left behind, and with the problems that it has, yeah, they wanted to pretty much get rid of it. And yeah, let's talk a bit about the technologies that will have replaced Flash. Now browsers support native animation, video, and sound without using Flash. So like, for example, the video and audio capabilities that Flash had that allows YouTube to play videos. Oh, yeah, browsers now have a native interface for that. And YouTube switched to that standard too. So you pretty much don't need to install Flash again to play videos on the browser, because yeah, the browser takes care of it. Yeah, the browser took care of it, and yeah, you can now play videos without using any plugins. And for animation, yeah, they actually just directly put the graphics API used for making games. It's now in the browser too. Like, yeah, the WebGL technology allows like allows people to write advanced graphics games and websites. Like, whoa. And yeah, WebGL like allows people to just make some crazy stuff. And yeah, one example of websites now using like WebGL technology to power their website is a website that, yeah, it's probably a bit close to my heart. Okay, let me check here. Yeah, the Denonbu website here. Yeah, okay, I actually managed to put in Denonbu 2 in this stream somehow, somewhere. Yeah, this is what WebGL allows people to make. Like, okay, where is Sotokanda? And click here. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Nope. Okay. Yeah, so WebGL allows quite select animation to be created. And okay, for example, let me return here. Yeah, so those models here of buildings in the background, they're all made with, yeah, they're made with WebGL. And yeah, it really contributes to the yeah, it really contributes to the futuristic feeling of the numbers website. And yeah, I really like how it was the WebGL technology is applied here. And now let's return back to our presentation here. Yeah, you can now practically make games in the browser now, 3D and 2D, because the API is based on the API actually used for games. Like, yeah, you really can create 3D browser games reliably now without using plugins, nasty plugins. And then next is, yeah, let's talk about that one time Steve Jobs roasted Flash so hard. In 2010, Steve Jobs published an open letter to Adobe and Flash, and it described the reasons why Apple devices did not ship with Adobe Flash, and they disallowed the installation of Flash there. Okay, let me go to the website here, an archive, because the original site don't have thoughts on Flash anymore. Let's go back to 2010. This, yeah, like, it is scouting. Like, they outline several reasons why Apple is not using Flash on mobile devices here, and yeah, it basically made Adobe Flash on mobile basically dead, as they soon pulled support for Android too, and make Flash like a PC only focus. Okay, I now have thoughts on Flash on here. Okay, so let me read here. Yeah, I wanted to jot down some of our thoughts on Adobe Flash products so that customers and critics may better understand why we do not allow Flash on iPhones, iPods, and iPads. Adobe has characterized our decision as being primarily business driven, yeah, but in reality it is based on technology issues. Okay, yeah, first of all, there's open. Yeah, yeah, of course they're proprietary and yeah, by almost any definition, Flash is a closed system. But yeah, they say that here Apple has adopted HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript that are open standards. And as I mentioned before, it allows people to create like graphics and animations that doesn't rely on yeah, a plugin. Yeah, although recent standard implementations have been pretty yeah questionable, there are some APIs that Safari did not implement, and a lot of Safari-isms happening. Yeah, it's still oh well. And then there's the full web. Okay, yeah. So they mentioned again about yeah. Again, this is about HTML5, and then yeah, this is basically Apple just posting the App Store in here. Yeah, Flash has one of the worst security records in 2009, and Flash is the #1 reason Macs crash. And yeah, performance and reliability. Yeah. And then battery life. Yeah, they say that Flash perform much worse on video here. So yeah, battery life and then touch. And yeah, they say that Flash was designed for PCs using mice and not for touchscreens. And then the most important reason here, yeah, this is about integration here because yeah, Flash is cross-platform. And yeah, they support the HTML5 standard, the basically the latest standard here. Okay, fine. Yeah, so that was thoughts on Flash. Like, whoa, Apple, that was a sick burn right there for Adobe Flash. That was like the sick burn of its era. Yeah. Yeah. Steve Jobs, what a burn. What a burn. That was a burn, the sick burn right there. And next, yeah. And then with the adoption of HTML5, yeah, Flash is more and more not needed. And in 2016, Adobe renamed the editor Adobe Flash Professional. They renamed it to Adobe Animate because Adobe Flash, strictly speaking, is not only for Flash animations now, they support HTML5 animations too. Since more and more animations created in Adobe Flash at this point, they now use native web technology instead of actually needing to rely on Flash. And Adobe Animate still lives to this day, while Flash has not. Okay, yeah. And then the end of life, they announced the deprecation of Flash in 2017, with the end of life year of Adobe Flash being 2020. Last year. Last year it finally died. And okay, yeah. With that announcements, major browser vendors are also announcing the deprecation and removal of Flash capability from their browsers, deprecating plugin APIs basically. And the replacement is the web extensions, I think. Yeah. But there is one exception that I want to talk about here. While Flash support globally died, it is not the case for China. So yeah, China has its own special distributor for Flash, and it was appointed by Adobe. And that version of Flash is still running. Whoa, but well, unfortunately, it's China, and yeah, the version of Flash has some problems. They have adware and spyware in it. Yeah, not really pleasant. I really cannot imagine what a computer in China looks like. Yeah, while this version of Flash has some unfortunate bundlings, people have quite figured out how to remove it. And so yeah, so one such repackaged version is Clean Flash. They're available on GitHub, and I encountered it a while ago, and yeah, I thought that was neat. You can still run Flash on 2021. And yeah, I thought it was neat. Oh, clever stuff. But I did not actually think that I would have needed Clean Flash. Yeah, like I thought it was neat, but yeah, a week later I actually have to use it. And to use Clean Flash, you will also need to install a browser that supports the legacy APIs. So like, yeah, the Clean Flash page mentioned Waterfox and Basilisk browser, and what I use here is Basilisk browser. Yeah, I will show them later when we talk about the legacy that Flash has left us. Yeah, Flash has its problems, security vulnerabilities, blah 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 blah. It has brought us an era of computing that is pretty much unforgettable. Whoa, we sure all miss the old internet, huh? Those fleeting moments. And yeah, in 2021, all websites that rely on Flash Player now stop working. And this is a clip from a browser window where I tried playing Flash, and yeah, of course it did not work because Flash no longer exists. So first of all, I want to talk about interactive Flash-based websites. Adobe Flash allows interactive websites that were in ways that are only piped in with native web technology at the time. So, you know, like for example, Flash provides video and audio support, and it also provides, yeah, rich animations. And yeah, animation, sound, video, you can combine it all in with Adobe Flash. And before HTML5, external technologies like Flash are like absolutely required if you want a rich user experience. The HTML with JavaScript, okay, it's okay, but it's not quite there yet. It took quite some time before HTML and JavaScript became the law of the land, even for animated interactive content. And yeah, I yeah, like this particular website is the entire reason I went on this Flash journey. So yeah, this website is made with Flash, and it can play audio, it has animations, it has menus. Yeah, also an excuse for me to put Atelier related stuff on the technology dive stream. I can't believe I'm able to put both Denonbu and Atelier on one stream here. Yeah, so interactive Flash-based websites. And I actually have those open right now, so I can kind of demonstrate. Yeah, I can kind of demonstrate here on those interactive Flash-based websites with the Atelier service being the example here. I have the Basilisk browser open, so let's do that. Okay, so yeah, a bit of a context here. 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, if I remember correctly. So yeah, first of all, yeah, this is the animated website for Atelier Rorona. And like you can click on the menus here to see. Yeah, okay, guide, the guide here, and then you can see the story here, and it's all animated and interactive. And then the character menu here, I want to demonstrate something, because Flash has support for animation here and audio. If I click this, it will actually make a sound. And yeah, I can click the menu here and show the details of our protagonist in here, Rorolina Frixel, aka Rorona. There's like, okay, okay, we can see the screenshot here. If we click the picture, we can zoom in. Okay, oh, that's a character relationship graph. And yeah, if I click on this model, okay, it's zoom in like this. Yeah, and if we click on this button,
嘘どうしようですね今店の者が留守にしてまして
it produces a sound. Well, that was kind of awkward here, yeah. So yeah, Flash allows like interactive websites like this in an era where it's not possible with normal HTML. It's kind of interesting on the lookout on this. Yeah, this also has background music available. So if I turn on this particular toggle here, I can activate the background music. I don't think I'm activating it for copyright reasons, but yeah, it's there. It's there if you want to try it out. And then let's proceed to Totori's site here. Yeah, it also has sound here, but I'm not activating it again. And yeah, if I hover on the menus here, you can see that yeah, it's interactive. You can see that on the bottom right corner here, yeah, Totori appears and have some yeah, and speak something. And if I click on this, it will show, for example, this is the world menu and this is the story menu. We can see the character here. Yeah, this is kind of curious because, yeah, if you move your mouse a certain way, you can definitely, yeah, see that those are scrolling. Those do actually scroll. And then if I click it, switches to another character. And yeah, you can see screenshots in here, for example. I accidentally closed down that one. And then, okay, yeah. This is an interactive Flash website. Because this is also a game website, yeah. The functions are kind of similar.
はじめまして。私はトトゥーリア・ヘルモルト。
Oh yeah, I totally forgot that this is. Yeah, I talked about this kind of voice before on my visual 3 stream. But yeah, I quite like her voice in here. Yeah, the interactiveness is made possible thanks to Adobe Flash. And then for the next one, yeah. Okay, Mira. This is also made with Flash. Okay, loading times taking a bit of a while. And then yeah, you have, okay.
私の名前はメルルリンス・レイ・デ・アールズ。みんな私のことメルルって呼ぶの。
Okay, yeah, so yeah, interactivity, it allows you to basically play sounds where it is not possible with the existing native web technologies at the time.
あ、メルルちゃん、そんな風にかき混ぜたらいけない。
Darn cute, that one. Okay. I actually need to get out of that particular, yeah. I need to get out of that trance for a moment. Yeah, you can see here, yeah, this kind of animation at the time is not possible with the existing technology at the time. Yeah, reminder that, yeah, okay, I cannot actually scroll down this. Oh, yeah, kind of annoying, but whatever. Yeah. Okay, reminder that, yeah, this is a website released 10 years ago. 2011. And then yeah, the last of the series here is, yeah, Aisha. And yeah, I think this is the, yeah, for Sky and Logi, and yeah, starting from Sky and Logi, they basically use HTML5 for their website now, but yeah, those animations are really cool. Yeah, so yeah, you can toggle like this. Okay, yeah, those kind of paper effect, it can only be achieved with Flash at the time, 2012. So yeah, it's really neat.
ニオ、お姉ちゃんがきっと助けてあげる。だから、待ってて。
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool here, and yeah, just look at the era here, like, okay, yeah. Actually, let me go back to Rodona's page for a while. As you can see of the, yeah, I want to see the indication of the era here. So the wallpapers that they provided as a free download here for Rodona, they're all in 4:3 aspect ratio. They don't have widescreen at all. As to give you a sense of the era where this originated from, widescreen is not widespread yet. I think they only provided widescreen. Yeah, they only provided widescreen started from Totori, as you can see here. Yeah, the era, the reflection of the era is okay. Yeah. This is like looking to a window to the past. Just seeing on the time where they couldn't be bothered to give widescreen versions of the wallpaper. That was quite the interesting times that we have here. Okay, yeah, enough playing around with Atelier websites. Let's go back to our topic here. And then animation for all. Yeah, Flash was utilized for all sorts of animations, from indie animations to the big picture ones. And the creations range from serious television quality like productions to those that are forever immortalized as memes. Yep. What you heard before is actually an internet meme that was made in Flash. Let me switch directly to the Bezel Explosion here. Okay, and turn on the sound. It might be, yeah, sorry for the... Yeah, this is the second version. Okay, yeah, let's see the original version instead. Yeah, wait, okay, yeah. It was, okay, yeah, like from those Atelier series to Badger. Okay, I think I should stop looping this animation and go back to... Okay, let me recover for a bit and just... What? Badger, mushroom. Let's return. Okay, yeah, this is a video series that I quite remember fondly in the past. Animator versus animation. That was pretty legendary stuff. It also shows the impact that Flash has in our lives. And yeah. And then there's this thing. I am somehow aware of this particular thing quite a while ago. Homestar Runner, like way back. Pretty legendary stuff, I should say. And then finally, let's talk about the bite-sized games that the Flash platform brought in. You know, those web games. Along with Flash-based games, game portals also spawn. And there's a very interesting project that I discovered that aimed to preserve Flash games. That's the Flashpoint project. It is a lot to cover, so I'm not going to play it on this stream. Instead, what I will have is a dedicated stream just to stream, yeah, just to play Flashpoint. And yeah, basically enjoy my childhood games. Yeah, this week there will be a Flashpoint stream. And okay, yeah, this is a game that I remember playing this game, for example. Yeah, pretty legendary stuff. Yeah, I'm not playing it at the moment, but yeah, I'm playing it. Yeah, perhaps. Yeah, yeah, I will be playing it this week, and I will most likely be playing this game as part of that particular stream. So yeah, if you want to view Flash games, yeah, this is your you can tune into the stream that I am doing on. Okay, let me check my schedule here. On Wednesday, I will be streaming Flashpoint. So yeah, please look forward to that stream. And so that was the end of our 9 technology dive stream. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask it on the chat. I will be waiting. Okay, if there are no more questions here, I think I'll just go browsing some more stuff on the Pixel Explorer here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, atelier sites with Flash are pretty interesting, and yeah, and I just this as an example of what Flash can do for websites. You have this all animated thanks to the technology that is Adobe Flash. Okay, yeah, that's hmm. Okay, what? Mao, okay, pretty interesting. Chat, okay, yeah. Okay, what else? Yeah, so yeah, that's probably enough of exploring for now. And yeah, let's return back to the yeah. Okay, so yep, if yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream right now. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching this. Yeah, for watching this stream, and yeah, yeah. See you tomorrow. I will be doing another. I think I will be doing another progress bar tomorrow, and I will continue my journey of building a Linux from scratch system from scratch. So yeah, thank everyone for watching this stream, and see you next time.